A St. Paul girls basketball team is earning a reputation as the local dream team.
And their performance on the court is only part of the reason why. Tom Lydon's bringing us their story. It's a team that's defying expectations, Tom.
You know, absolutely. A little confession here, guys. I absolutely love this story. The girls I met tonight are really extraordinary, not just as athletes, but in the way they look at their past and also see their future. And the woman who leads them understands that the only thing better than living your own dream is helping others achieve theirs.
Nice, let's go.
The game is defined by the boundaries of the court, but these players have no such limits.
We make the couple first shots, they're like, whoa, they're good.
When they see Somali girls playing basketball, they're like, oh, why are these Somali girls playing basketball? Like, aren't they supposed to be home, etc.?
In a St. Paul rec center, the Jimmy Lee team is practicing for this weekend's championship playoffs. They were last year's runner-up. For their volunteer coach, Fartun Osman, capturing a trophy would be nice. Crushing stereotypes? That's even better.
When we play in the other teams, they assume right away. They say it's Somalian, they're wearing the hijab, we can beat them easily. You know what? Go over there and show them what you can do.
But what makes this so special isn't the win streaks or a championship. It's really the dream. A dream that began decades ago, back in Somalia.
Fartun grew up in Somalia with 8 brothers. A bit of a tomboy, she started playing soccer by 3, dreaming of becoming a female Pele. But by 13, she was playing professional basketball in an African league. After the Civil War, she'd come to America and ironically would find even more resistance.
Especially when it comes to the Muslim girls, they think that all the Muslim girls can do was sit at home, cook, clean, and get married and have kids. So I'm telling the world, our girls, they can do better than that.
Now our own daughters are playing in the rec league, sharing their mother's moves and her attitude.
Having a Muslim coach and a Somalian woman, like, we all understand, like, she understands what we go through at home and stuff. Like, if parents don't allow you to play or not, she slowly talks to them.
Some of these girls are hoping for a pro career like their coach, others interested in scholarships. But on this court, they've learned something far more valuable. That boundaries don't define you. Your passion does.
Nothing is going to stop them. So whether you like it or not, here we come.
1, 2, 3, Jimmy!
And here they come. The semifinals and finals are this weekend at the Jimmy Lee Rec Center in St. Paul. Of course, we wish them well. In addition to coaching basketball, she also coaches soccer, all volunteer. All this work is volunteer. And we aren't the only ones who think Fartun's pretty awesome. Last year, the McKnight Foundation honored her for her volunteer work. She really does extraordinary work. I also have to mention there are 2 other women who help her. One of them is her old coach from back in Somalia, and another former professional player in the African League. So it's really great how these women are helping the next generation.
Yeah, giving back. I love
the way that she really walks the talk, because clearly she remembers what she went through and is teaching them that, hey, you know what? You can do this. And
she wants to teach them.
Need to hear that.
She wants to teach them you can have it all. You can be a mom, you can be an athlete, you can be a business leader. There are no limits. And I just think it's America, and I think that's always a wonderful story.
And I always say that sports are so much more than being the jock, for lack of a better term. This is about bridging cultural gaps and all sorts of things. What great life lessons for these young women.
They get it.
Thank you, Tom.
Thanks,
Thank you.